In today's video, we're going to walk through how to use a VPN on Windows 10, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, helps protect your privacy online by encrypting your internet connection. It can also help you access content that may be restricted in your region, especially when using public Wi-Fi. Let's start with the built-in VPN option in Windows 10. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. From there, select Network and Internet. On the left side of the screen, you'll see an option called VPN. Click on that and you're in the right place. Now, to create a new VPN connection, click on Add a VPN connection. This is where we'll enter a few important details. At the top, you'll choose the VPN provider. For most manual setups, you'll select the Windows Built-in option. Next, give your connection a name. This can be anything you like, such as My VPN, so you can easily recognize it later. After that, enter the server address provided by your VPN service. This is the location your connection will route through. Then choose the VPN type or protocol. If you're not sure which one to use, the automatic option is usually fine for beginners. Next, you'll add your sign-in information. This usually includes a username and password, but some VPNs may use other methods. Once everything is filled in, click Save. Now your VPN is ready. To connect, go back to the VPN section in Settings, click on the VPN you just created, and select Connect. When it's active, your internet traffic is protected through a secure tunnel. If you prefer something simpler, many VPN services also offer dedicated apps. These apps often include extra features like automatic connections, location switching, and easier controls, all with just a few clicks. And that's how you use a VPN on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials.